Hi everyone, welcome back to M.A.J. Customs. I'm Amanda, and again, welcome back to our channel. And a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed and started following. Today, you guys, this is gonna be something that is I'm gonna try to make this video fast because you guys know I don't like making videos that are too long. So these are transfers that I purchased off of Etsy, okay? And I wanted to bring you all along because this is the first time I'm doing this. I have never ordered DTF transfers, although I have seen many people, you know, many different videos of people who make them. So I was curious and I was interested. I went on Etsy and we found this beautiful design. All right, and then I'm going to put the shop that we purchased these from. These transfers, you guys, were only $5. So if you don't have a cutting machine, if you don't have a Cricut, or if you don't have the what do we have, the Silhouette, if you don't have none of those machines and you want to get off into starting to sell t-shirts, buying direct to film transfers is a good way to start if you don't have the money for a machine yet to do like your vinyl cutting and whatever else, your sublimation that we also do. If you don't have money for that, but you can invest in a decent size heat press, then this will be a good way to go. They already come printed out for you, and all you have to do is press them onto a t-shirt. So these ones, I'm going to press one for my daughter. I'm gonna put it on a Gildan 100% Gildan t-shirt, black. And you can put these on any color. It doesn't have to necessarily be black, I'm sorry, but you can press these on whatever t-shirt color, whatever, whether you want it to be cotton or if you want it to be some type of polyester cotton blend, whatever. You can just press them, just follow the heat press settings, okay? So in this package, if I haven't opened it yet, so let's see if it comes with any instructions. I have my heat press on. I have my heat press already set at 307 for 17 seconds. But if it says different in the package, then I will change my settings. So it comes with a thank you card right here, and you get 10% off your next order. So I probably will go back and purchase some more. A thank you and everything that this store pretty much does, okay? And she goes by the name of Southern Girl Creations. It's shortened. Her name is owner Chrissy Lindsay, and her store name is STHRNGIRL Creations, okay? CREATIONS. Okay, so that is the store that we purchased these from. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, and the t-shirts, you guys, if you're interested, Hobby Lobby had a sale going for 30% off their t-shirts. So I ended up purchasing up to I think it was a large. I don't know if it's up to a large or extra large. They're $2.49. I do know that I grabbed a few 2X's, and those ended up being a little bit more. They were, I think, $4.81 for a t-shirt. So make sure you keep up with the sales that go on around your craft stores, okay? So let's get into this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put my crease in here, and then I will be back to let you know what the settings are, because I believe they did have some settings on here. Yeah, 100% polyester, it gives you the settings, and for 50-50 blend, and then also for 100% cotton. I don't know if you guys could see that really good, but they do send the instructions, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put my crease in here, and then I'll be back and I'll show you guys what it's gonna turn out like. Okay, everyone, so I creased my t-shirt. The instructions for the 100% cotton was 310 degrees for 10 seconds. So I did change my settings. It's at 309 right now. So I'm just going to wait for it to get to 310. And as you can see, I already have my picture centered how I want it, making sure it's nice and straight. And I did use the 3-finger rule from the neckline from the neckline down. The neckline is about right there, so I can go up a little bit. Okay, 3-finger rule, real quick, real easy. But I pretty much eyeball them because I've been doing this for quite some time. So as soon as it gets up to 310, then I'll come back and then I'll press it. Okay, everyone, so my temperature has reached 310, and now I'm just going to take my butcher paper and place it over the image. Again, I think that purchasing DTF prints is an awesome way to go. If you're struggling to get your business started, you can just go on Etsy and see which ones, type in what you would like and see what designs that they offer you once you type something in that comes to mind. So it's already been pressed. Here we go. And it comes off so easy. Oh wow, it looks so pretty. But I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do before I peel this completely off? I'm gonna press it for a second time, because we do normally press our images twice. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it another press. All right, so let's see how it comes out. And one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. That came out so beautiful. And the designs, I don't know if I mentioned it already, they were $5. So with shipping, it came out to about $15.48, something like that. So this is the t-shirt. Okay, you guys, so the image came out really, really cute, right? But be careful, because I believe when I peeled my image and I went to press for a second, my L folded over, and I just want to let you know that had nothing to do with the design. The other design, I'll show you, if you see in the beginning of the video, they were perfectly fine. It was nothing, it was my fault that I did not pay attention. You can see the image is beautiful. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that mistakes do happen, but this one's for my daughter, so that's okay. But it's beautiful, and like I said, my L must have had folded under itself when I peeled it, and I said, well, let me do the second press before I completely peel the whole mask off of it. So yeah, so that's okay though. That's what it looks like. So yeah, again, you guys, go on Etsy and see if you guys see anything that you know may be interested in. But I didn't have to do anything, so I just ordered them. They came, and yeah, go and check out Etsy for DTF Transfer, you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.